Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward tutorial on how to delete a phone number from your Google account in 2025. Whether you're switching phones, tightening up your privacy settings, or just decluttering your account, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. It's quick, easy, and essential for keeping your digital life organized. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account on a web browser or the Google app. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. It's the starting point for everything. Once you're in, head over to your Google account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of any Google page, like Gmail or Google Search, and then selecting Manage your Google account. Next up, navigate to the Personal Info tab on the left-hand side. This is where all your account details are stored. Scroll down until you see the Contact Info section, and look for your phone number listed there. If you have multiple numbers, select the one you want to remove. Click on it, and you'll see an option to edit or delete. Go ahead and choose Delete or Remove. Google might ask you to confirm this action, so just follow the prompts to verify it's what you want to do. Remember, once it's gone, you might need to add it back if you use it for two-factor authentication, so think twice if that's the case. After you've confirmed, your phone number should be removed from your account. That's it. You've successfully updated your Google profile. This process helps protect your privacy and keeps your info current, especially with all the changes in 2025's Google updates. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're using a supported browser or app, and feel free to leave a comment below if you need help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. See you in the next video.